way, yeah.
We hope you settled yourselves in comfortably. The cabin crew will shortly be released from their seats to perform safety-related duties.
Oh no, we're
Please
going
keep
out the
your
same
seatbelts
way.
fastened while the
We'll go
seatbelt
up
sign
round
is
that
on
way, we should
and
go
remain
back round that
seated
way.
as movement in the cabin must be limited. We recommend that you keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you're in your seats. If you need to leave your seat, please keep the aisle clear to allow other customers to pass by. And please take care of opening the overhead lockers in case anything could have moved and may fall out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin and are all fitted with highly sensitive smoke detectors. We'd just like to politely remind you that all